Today is the camping day, and oh my god. For a person like me that has not been camping in, I'm guessing 25 years, it's a pain in the ass. Let me show you what we got. Alright, right off the bat we have the Coleman tent. Dark room technology, but I don't think we're going to need the dark room technology today, because today is rainy, misty, and I'll be damned. There's Angie inside the tent. It's actually deflating.
I figured out what I had to do.
Did you?
I had to pull the thing out.
Well, we have luxury for a bed. We have an air mattress on a cot. But here's the tent right here. Yeah, she was having problems deflating that thing earlier. Big time problems. But man, I'm telling you what, the stuff we packed, oh my lord. Let me show you some of it. Alright, we got the pillow right here, we got the sleeping bags, we got the fire starter, we got the lights, and we still have a bunch more crap inside little Sparky here. We're only going to be camping one night, and like I said, it's been raining on and off all day. So down here at the campsite is a little muddy. But you know, it's only overnight. We're not exactly sure what our plans are. We do know we want to do some fishing. We thought about rowboating, but then again, that might be on another day. We can always come up and do rowboating. By the way, we're in Versailles State Park. And if you guys remember last October, we was wanting to do the camping thing. The day before we went on vacation, I threw my back out. So let's get some video of this air mattress and see what we got. Oh, Angie got it deflated or inflated.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull off my shoes and join you.
Oh, hold on, let me
Okay, I'm taking off my shoes. I'm trying not to get my socks wet.
Actually, let me.
And we're gonna go in here. Oh man.
Which way you want your head?
That don't matter. I'm just gonna lay down anywhere.
Your head's up. You're going downhill.
Lord.
We're going downhill this way.
Oh man.
Oh,
this is weird. Oh god, this is weird.
We're definitely gonna have to sleep with our head at that end tonight.
Could you imagine this being a thumbnail? Oh, is it me or does it feel really humid in here?
It is humid.
What the hell are we gonna do?
If it don't rain tonight, we're taking off the rain thing.
Oh, it's gonna rain tonight. We're also supposed to have storms.
Well,
we also have
a watch the stars.
I didn't realize that when we was putting the tent up, we have a widowmaker right behind us. I'll show that to you in just a minute, guys. But it's awful humid here. I'm gonna sweat all night long. There is absolutely no wind coming through here.
There'll be a breeze tonight because it'll come through here.
But guys, we're gonna go ahead and close. Well, we're not closing out the video now.
I was gonna say we're just starting.
Yeah.
Oh.
We got a lot more to do. We got a lot of stuff to bring in the tent.
It's only humid because of the rain, and we were busy putting everything together.
And Angie's wanting a caramel crepe, and I don't know.
Yeah,
I will let you know what we're doing later. What, babe?
I always get one before fishing.
Yeah, this is weird. All right, I'm gonna get my shoes on and let's bring the stuff in. This is comfortable though. I have to say, it's very comfortable.
Yeah. I'm not used to this.
It's going to lose air. You know it's going to lose air through the night.
Probably. It's okay.
All right, we'll be back. Okay, it's time to do a little bit of fishing. Now, I'm not going to use the GoPro today for fishing, guys. It could rain any minute now, and it's just too much of a pain in the ass. So, if I catch the fish, I will basically just, hey, when we get them out of the water, I'll show you guys the fish on here. You won't have no video of me catching them, at least not this time. So guys, we're going to do some fishing and enjoy ourselves and probably get some yum-yums and let's just have an adventure. Yeah, I'm a little nervous because we're supposed to get storms tonight. And I'm going to be sleeping in a tent. One of the downsides is there's going to be a lot of wind when I use this camera. But it's easier for me to do it this way. So I'm here to tell you, I'm very much afraid to get my mod wet. Plus, hooking that dang thing up to the chest, I don't know, I'm pooped. Guys, I tell you, we're supposed to be on vacation, it's supposed to be rest and relaxation, but man, driving all that distance to the tunnel and coming back yesterday, and by the way, I goofed up. Do you know I could have used I have low lighting. I have for filming at night on my GoPro, and I didn't even use it. But that's okay, because we're going to go to Clifty Falls next day or so, and I will get that with the night vision on. But yeah, I'm pooped. I'm tuckered. Alright, we're going to put down the camera and try to catch some dang fish. It may be an on and off rainy day. We may not be getting no bites. But you know what? We are having one hell of a time. I've said it before. I'm going to say it again. You don't have to be catching them. It could be a really horrible day, and you still can have fun. Angie and I are sitting here just cracking jokes, having a damn good time. And I'm drinking a cold tea. And the reason that's a big deal is most of my tea's warm. I like drinking hot tea. And I think I'm starting to get the effects from the tea. It's giving me a little bit more pep.
Bobber keeps disappearing.
If you're if it disappears, you got a fish, young lady.
Oh,
I'll report back after a while, guys. If anything comes out with this fishing adventure this evening, the heron. Been watching him go all over this lake today. He's been our entertainment. I had 3 extremely good bites, but I'm thinking it's a turtle. It's about soon for yum yums when we go back to the tent and eat it or somewhere, and we might fish tonight, we might not. I don't know. But yeah, we're watching the heron play. I did get 3 awesome hits on Roscoe. Dumpster haven't had nothing yet, but you know, the night's still young. Well, kind of. It's a little bit after 5, and yeah, I'm starting to get hungry. We're probably going to kick it out here until 6 o'clock. Go get some yum yums and figure it out from there. And for now, the wind actually stopped. Alright, we're breaking for some yum yums. We're going to go in town, get some McDonald's, and figure it out from there. Yeah, back about a year ago, we came and we was checking out campsites. You know, this is way before we bought the tent, but just in case we wanted to go camping, which sites would we like to do? And this was the first one we picked. Because it's back in the corner, nobody to bother you, and it's right by a trail in case you want to do a trail. We're not doing trails today because it's muddy. We'll be doing that tomorrow. We're going through the tunnel tomorrow at Clifty Falls. And we're going to another place we've never been to do trails. We'll get back into that towards the end of this week, towards the end of vacation. But yeah, we wanted to come to a place where we knew there wouldn't be many people around and surrounded by trees. I mean, oh my gosh, look at this. It's so beautiful. That's behind me. The forest, you know. You can't beat it. You just cannot beat it. Well, we got our firewood and a little fire pit for tonight. And I didn't get this my last, well, when we was here earlier, I said we had a widowmaker. Right there's that widowmaker tree I was talking about. Yeah, it's completely dead. And right here's my tent. Should I be concerned? Another reason we wanted it over here, because look at the woods all around me. Yeah, we're going to definitely hear nature tonight, guys. Oh, yeah. Well, let's hope it don't storm tonight. Let's hope we don't get bad weather. Because I want to at least make it through the night. But if it starts storming, I'm not so sure if this little tent of mine's going to make it. Yeah. So we're going to walk up a little bit and do some exploring. Angie found a big old hole here in the ground.
That's a big hole.
Let's get right up to it. I'm not sure what makes a big hole like that, to be honest with you. Sorry about that, hun.
Wow.
But actually, way over there, I'll hold the GoPro up. There's a camper over there.
Yep, somebody pulled in.
Yeah. I guess the campsite swings around back that way. But this is what it looks like up this way, and nobody around. Nobody. And here we is. Little Sparky. We moved the picnic table there because it was muddy where it was at. And our Coleman tent. Alright, we're going to sit down and figure out what we're going to do next. I don't know if I want to go back fishing. And fish into the evening. You know what? Do we want to? You know, we should go back down there and do some evening fishing. At least until it gets too dark. What do you guys think? Now, if I go back into evening fishing, I probably won't do no recording. But if I catch any fish, I will get pictures of it and then put them in the video. So yeah, you know what? I'm thinking about let's doing that. Yeah, let's do that. Now, guys, when we get the campfire going tonight, hopefully I'll be able to pick up and do some more vlogging then. But if nothing else happens, we'll see y'all in the morning. But I'm sure you're going to see me again. We're going to go fishing again. We're not doing so well on our fire. No, not at all.
It's still going.
It's about the driest wood you could possibly get. And we're having all kinds of trouble trying to get this damn thing started. What gives? Are we that tired?
Could be.
We're pretty tired. Now, down where we was fishing at, there was all kinds of wind. Up here, on top of this hillside, there's no wind at all. None. But down there, oh yeah. Every time I turned around, there was wind. Here, none. Trees are blocking every bit of it, I believe. Well, we're still trying to start this fire. We should have brought lighter fluid with us. It is so damp out. I'm not sure if that's causing a problem or not. We may not be able to have a fire tonight. Shucks. Alright guys, we're headed back to town to get some lighter fluid, so we can get this fire going. And I'm going to pick up a brush probably too, because I need a brush for this goatee. I don't like going hours without brushing it, especially by tomorrow morning. So Angie's separating the wood. I think we're okay to leave everything here, like our chairs and stuff. So we should be back in 30 minutes. Yeah, we're going to head down to CVS and get some lighter fluid. We'll be back. I guess you could call this the first mishap. Okay, we're here at a gas station. A CVS closed at 8, exactly 17 minutes ago. So here at the gas station, it should have some lighter fluid. But out here in front, we see a lot of wood. Look. Right out there in front, there's a lot of wood. So we debated, do we need more wood? We decided no. We just burned what little bit we got. Okay, the GoPro Black, I'm not going to use it probably anymore. At least not tonight. Don't know, maybe tomorrow morning, but it's in the car. Now we're going to drench this wood down. Let me show you. As you see, we couldn't get most of it started because it's just too damp out here. And the wood actually is damp too because we kind of gooped up. See, when we first got here earlier today, we put the wood out and I didn't put it on these picnic table like I should have, and it got a little wet. So, trial and error, guys, trial and error. Now that's a fire, guys, right there. So all we needed was lighter fluid. Trial and error, my friends, trial and error. In case you guys are wondering, it's been, how old is Elizabeth, 28?
27.
27. It's been 26 years since I went camping last. Actually, yes, 26 years. Now, we have been camping, and don't do that. We have been camping, oh shoot, in cabins, but No, it's not true. Last time we went camping was a nightmare, and it was actually here, and that was 20 years ago. Family reunion, remember? It was a nightmare because we went camping with 2 children, and we had a one of them air mattresses. Through the night, the air mattress deflated. It rained real hard. It became a puddle in the tent. It was a nightmare of a camping trip. Listen to my surroundings. The birds are putting on a concert for us tonight. I'm going to sit back, burn what little bit of wood we got, head to the tent, and hopefully it ain't too humid in there. And then I guess we call it a night. Guys, it's been a good vacation so far. We went to the tunnel. Trial and error there for the GoPro Black. I don't know why I didn't put night vision on. I'm going to try to remind myself to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow we're supposed to be headed to Clifty Falls Tunnel, but it's supposed to thunderstorm. If we get rain, that has to be postponed till the next day. But we are doing Clifty Falls. Then probably we're going to go hit a trail. The trail we're going to hit, shoot. It's in Cluckatuck. Muscatatuck. We're going to go hit a big, huge trail then. Then probably the rest of the vacation we fish. But guys, I will report maybe one more time through the night. And if I don't, we'll see you in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. I'm going to spend the evening with my wife and enjoy nature. We'll catch you tomorrow. Good morning. Well, we survived the night. It rained off and on all night long. We even had a thunderstorm last night. And that was a little bit nerving. We did come back out here at 3 o'clock in the morning. Right after the rain stopped, because we had to walk way down that way to use the bathroom. But guys, we did it. Now we're going to break down. Now we got a lot to break down, and it looks like the Widowmaker tree didn't fall on us. But yep, we're going to break down, get everything loaded up in the car, go home, and get ready for the next adventure. So guys, this is it for today, guys. I got a lot of breaking down to do. Oh my God. Oh, it's a lot of work. Trust me. So guys, until the next adventure, thank you for watching. Leave me some comments. And we'll see you on the next adventure. I'm waking up still. Can you tell? It's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm still waking up. My brain is not fully awake. So, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.